My experience with EF has been a fantastic experience. And we've been in business for a long time, and we know a certain part of our business. We know how to sell tickets, we know how to get bums in seats, and we know how to market shows. But we didn't know how to take a giant production like this and run it as a business and grow it to the point where it becomes viable. And we needed solid business experience. And that's what we got from Entrepreneurs Forum. We got people who understood business, who got what we were doing, who were excited by what we were doing, and gave us advice in areas that we really needed good advice. By listening to that advice, I think we really did get to a new level with our product.